Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add Instagram stories. If you are using Instagram and you want to add Instagram stories, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to check for any kind of updates for your Instagram app. So open your App Store or Play Store and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find, you have to try to update your app to prevent issues. So once you updated your app, you just have to simply go back and here open your Instagram app, or you can also wait for updating. And after completing the updates, you just have to simply open your Instagram app, and here you'll get the plus option in the top left corner. Just tap on this plus option here and then select story. And here you can also use your camera to record a story, or you can use your photo album to add story from your gallery, or you can also try to create a new story by using this create option. So I'm going to create a new story here. So once you have on your create page, you just have to simply add any text here. So for example, I'm going to add here this text, and once you have added the text, you can also change the size or the font of this text here. And once you have added, just simply tap on this next option in the top right corner, and here you can make more settings or editings into your Instagram story here. You can add stickers, add audio, or use draw feature. You can draw anything in your Instagram story. And once I've done, tap on this done option here. Here you can also change background. You can download the story, or even you can imagine your background using your AI features. But I'm going to share it and its own features here. Just tap on this your stories option and it will be sent to your story. So in this way you can easily add Instagram stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.